everybody, look at this beautiful sunrise. Today we'll be launching the boat. So there will be a crane coming, trying to lift it over these boats into the water. Let's make it happen, let's get it started. Seahorse 2.0 getting in the water, fucking stoked. Look at this incredible crane. The Dersu Seahorse 2 is gonna go in. Let's see how it goes. This thing is huge, guys. This is so high. Oh, this is scary. Vai! Va bene. Lekker Lexi. Lex spending the last bits.
Touchdown.
Yes!
Yes!
Yee!
Stoked?
They did deliver perfect. Was this good? It was perfect. Better than perfect.
Yes.
Okay guys, first time out on the Seahorse 2.0, giving it a little test run. Got the mountains in the background, we got the sunshine, it's just amazing. 3 knots and there's not even 6 knots wind. It's just, there's almost no wind and we're doing 3 knots. It's such a fast boat. Loving it. Celebrating with a beer and vodka coke. This is life, guys. We're checking out the boat a little bit today and it has awesome systems. You've got 3 reefs, look, 3 lines, 3 holes in the sail. You just connect the hole to this hook. You just pull the cord. Green is for the smallest reef, middle one, big one, and that's it. So you can reef it just from standing here. Lower the mainsail, connect the ring, pull the string you want, you've got a reef. How quickly do you want that? And how nice is that? You have the Genoa, just roll it up. So when a storm is hitting us, we could just downsize within a minute. Loving it. What an incredible test run today, guys. Only 6 knots of wind. We're still doing like 4 knots speed. It's incredible. Look at the sunset. Unbelievable. Italy is so beautiful. The boat is fast. We already did like 4.5 knots maximum speed with no wind at all. Look at the waves. Look at the ocean. No wind. And we're still flying.